up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad in the house, and welcome back to part 5, rebuilding this beauty. It's all painted and ready to go. Super excited. We're gonna start putting the car back together. If you guys haven't seen part 1 through 4, I'll put a link in description. You guys could go check it out. A lot of cool content. Me picking the car up from the auction, pretty much the whole process. So go check it out. And I want to say big thank you to you guys for subscribing, for showing so much love, for all your positive comments and feedback. Man, I'm speechless. Thank you once again. We're almost at the 100K. Woo-hoo! Super pumped about that. And thanks to you guys for making this come true, you know. Really appreciate for everything. Now for the stock, and let's get back to work. So I'm gonna start with the back end. We're gonna install the tail lights, the rear bumper, and work our way to the front, the doors, and then for the final it's gonna be the front end. But we're so close. And then we'll do the wheels and the exhaust. Check it out. This is an aftermarket bumper, but the fitment is like OEM. Let's take a closer look. All the sensors, everything lines up. Man, I'm really happy with this quality. So yeah, we'll start installing this bumper right now. And then we'll do the tail lights and put the trunk back together. Mama brought me lunch and coffee so I could get some more energy. Who's here? Little Bebas. You like Papa's new car already? Huh? You gonna take my Papa's car for a joyride? Say hi. Hi. Say hello. Huh? Or you want the camera? You want the camera, huh? Sorry, can't give you the camera yet. Once you get a little older, then you'll be my video girl. She'll be recording me working all the time, huh? You gonna be Papa's helper? Yeah. Slowly coming together. I just slapped the back bumper on. Damn, it looks so nice. Next, we're gonna install the tail lights and start putting the trunk together. Yes. And here's the new tail lights. Let's take a look. Damn, look at those guys. They're so pretty. Damn. So much better than the old ones. We'll start installing them right now. Кто там выглядывает так, а? Alright. So what, you like this better than your S-Class or same thing? Same. So, what you trying to say, we're gonna be twins? Twinsies? Twins. So if I sell yours, then you're taking this one? I guess I can't sell yours in that case. Because I need an S-Class 2 in my life. I want to be just as cool as you rolling on the S-Class. Yeah. Oh, you want an SUV? Is that so? Mama said she wants an SUV. What do you think about SUV? Should we get Mama SUV? Milena, should we get Mama SUV?
Да.
Нет?
Да.
We'll see. Maybe we'll get you an SUV. If we sell her S-Class, we'll get her an SUV. Well, that's gonna be a surprise. What kind of SUV we're gonna get you? That is it, guys. The back end is together. Let's take a closer look. And the fitment is like OEM, I swear. Like it's original bumpers. That's how the fitment is. Super happy. So let's look. Boom, there it is. If you look at these gaps, perfect. Everything lines up. This gap is perfect as well. The trunk gap. So all the gaps are just perfect on this. For an aftermarket bumper, this fits pretty good. So next we'll weld the exhaust, but once we put everything together, we'll do the exhaust last. I gotta put the car in the lift and we'll do the final welds with the exhaust. But yeah, everything's coming together super nice. What are you doing there? What are you doing there? Hi! So right now I'm gonna start with the back door, putting the back door together, the molding, the door handle, and the little chrome molding at the bottom. That's it, guys, we're done with the back end. We put the doors together. Now we'll start putting the front end together, headlights, new grille, and then for the final, the bumper. So let's do it. Getting rid of this headlight, same with the grille, and then new bumper. So the grille is completely different, it goes all the way down. So we had to replace that. So I had to go and make a quick trip to the local dealership. They finally got my final piece so I could put the whole front end together. It was the side bracket that holds the headlight and the fender, I would say. So I got that. It's here. So we could start putting the front end together. That was the last piece I was waiting pretty much, and that's it. That is it, guys. I got the last final puzzle to put the front end together. This big old metal piece, that's like the headlight support and stuff like that. So let's put it carefully on the floor without scratching anything. Somewhat on the floor, but yeah, we're good to go. Yeah, sorry I couldn't post the video on Tuesday, but that was the reason. So hopefully you guys will forgive me for slacking, but it wasn't my fault. It was they had to special order it for some reason, so took a few days. So everything is here. Let's go back to the shop. But I love driving this Porsche, man. This thing is like such a fun car to drive. If you ever guys have a chance to drive a Porsche Carrera S, please do. You'll know what I'm talking about. It's like so light. Engine is in the back, so you got all the control and all the fun stuff. Should we do like a quick send? Should we do like a quick little send? Drop it to first gear. All right, we'll do first gear and 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, it goes. It moves like crazy. Super fun. That's how you get in trouble though. Tickets are no fun those days. Very expensive. This thing sounds amazing. Makes all kinds of funny noises too. Let's see what's the lineup today. Damn. Quite a bit of cars we got here this morning. Got my good old Porsche. Man, fun car. I love it. S-Class is different, but Porsche is completely like a fun little weekend car. But let's take a look at the lineup today. We got the 430, Carrera, GTS, 911R, good old Lexus, Tesla, and a bunch of other cars that we got. Let's go say hello to the fellas. Hey, good morning, boys. You guys ready to rock and roll today?
Pretty soon somebody's gonna sideswipe your Carrera and do a hit and run. Hopefully you have full coverage.
I sure do have a full coverage.
Very bad spot, buddy.
Horrible. Horrible spot. So you're saying I should find a different, more classic spot?
For sure. A better spot. I have a project for you, mister.
Oh, nice. What do you got?
Tear down that BMW M4 and pretty much just circle what we need.
All right.
I guess it's like a $80,000 car. It's rare or something.
So you trust me with such an expensive car?
Yes, sir.
Damn. All right. So looks like I got another little project. All right, let's go check it out since we're talking about this right now. So this car just came in. It's going through insurance, I believe, or customer pay. BMW M4. Front end collision. It looks like they start doing something. I don't know why the door is black in the fender, but yeah. Front side collision, so I guess stay tuned for this video. I'll make a video as well repairing this M3, M4. I don't have a BMW on my channel yet, M4, so I think that should be a good one. Comment below if you guys want to see this build. Should be, for the most, pretty quick. Turn around, maybe like 2 weeks and we should be good. Yeah, alright, cool. So here's the new headlight and the way they did them. So you could just transfer all your computers to this new one and it will be working perfectly fine, and you'll still have the xenon light as well. But yeah, let's take a look. Look how big of a difference those headlights make. Makes the car look so much newer. So yeah, see how they come? They just come bare naked with no computers. So what you do, you transfer computers from this to this headlight and it should be working. No problem. Super excited to install those headlights. Like I said, that's gonna make the biggest difference. And the whole front end's gonna just be completely different. Facelift. So let's transfer this real quick and install it on the car. Look at those beautiful headlights. So we'll start installing them right now. And I also just got this new piece this morning, so we'll replace it. has some damages over here and stuff. And you might ask me, hey Vlad, how come you're not gonna just bang that out and make it fit? But it's a new car and I don't want to do that. I want to make this car 100% perfect, so everything aligns good and everything's replaced and good to go. That is it, just installed a new piece, so now we could start installing the headlight. Look at those beauties. Wow, love it. Alright guys, we're all finished with the headlights. Now we could start installing the bumper. Man, they look amazing. So much better than the old ones. So yeah, we'll start installing the bumper and we're good to go with the front end. That's it, my friends. Look at this bumper. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. Love it. So now we're gonna change out the grille. This is the new grille. It looks a little different than that one. So this one goes pointy. So yeah, this thing is gonna look amazing. That is it, guys. We're officially finished with the front end, and boy, everything came out perfect. For aftermarket parts, if you would come and look at it in person, you would never tell if it's aftermarket or not. But let's take a closer look at the fitment. Boom, check out the front. Everything lines up perfectly. All the gaps are good, even the grille, just like factory look. Wow, this thing is perfect. I couldn't be happier with this product, and I got a bunch of kits from this place and their stuff is always amazing. So if you guys need any of this goodness, this body kit or any other body kits for AMG, BMW, hit me up and I'll hook you guys up with my guy who will get you whatever you need and get you a quote. So shoot me an email down in the description, and we'll give you guys a quote on any car that we have available. So yeah, but other than that, everything's amazing. We're also getting the new mirrors. They should be coming in any day, because this is the old style. Also got the AMG side skirts. We're gonna be installing that in the final. And then the rear bumper, everything is installed. So next we're gonna do the exhaust mufflers, tips. And then for the final, we're gonna get a little wing for the back. Yeah, so super excited. All that is coming very soon. And for the final, we're gonna get some wheels. That's right, we're getting some wheels. And I got some wheels lined up right there. So I'll show you guys what are my options. I got 4 options. And we're gonna pick something from those wheels, from the Vorsteiner wheels. So let's take a closer look exactly at what kind of wheels we got lined up. What do you guys think? So this is gonna be number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So comment below, what do you guys think should be the best wheels fitment for this car out of all 4 of those? Please, I would like to hear your opinion and thoughts and comments. So yeah, look at this, super excited. Almost finished, just a little bit more and we'll be hitting the streets. That is it, guys. We're done with part 5. Stay tuned for part 6. In part 6, we're gonna get the wheels. They should come in any day now. We're gonna install the tires and pretty much get this thing all wrapped up. We also gotta do the exhaust tips. And for the final, the mirrors. We got the new mirrors coming any day as well. Yeah, slowly coming together. What do you guys think? And comment below the wheel option. Like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4. So which wheel would you guys put? Let me know. I'm really interested in your guys' opinion. This is it. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on your bell notification because we post new videos every week, new video. You guys don't want to miss any of this. And thank you for watching. If you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you don't, you know the drill. Sorry, sucks to be you. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания.